The DECOKTOOL Electric Pressure Washer 4000 PSI is a powerful and efficient cleaning tool, equipped with a robust 1500 watts motor that delivers a remarkable 4000 PSI to handle large surfaces and stubborn stains. This pressure washer offers the ultimate in user convenience, featuring a long 35-foot power cord that provides an extensive range of motion during the cleaning process, eliminating the need for frequent repositioning. One of the standout features of this electric power washer is its versatility, as it comes with 4 different quick connect nozzles and a 450 milliliter soap cannon, enabling users to tackle various cleaning tasks under different conditions. The DECOKTOOL Electric Pressure Washer employs a total stop system that automatically shuts off the power when the trigger is not in use, saving energy and extending the motor lifespan. The design of the DECOKTOOL Electric Pressure Washer is exceptional, focusing on user comfort and ease of use with comfortable sponge handles, wheels for easy mobility, and a quick coupler design for hassle-free installation. With a perfect review score of 5 and a competitive price of $164.99, the DECOKTOOL Electric Pressure Washer provides excellent value for money, promising a high-performance cleaning solution for various applications.